Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for science. First, quickly scan your syllabus and notes to pinpoint the most crucial topics. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, identify the core concepts and formulas. Focus your energy on the areas you know will be heavily weighted or where you feel least prepared. This strategic approach ensures you cover the most ground efficiently. Next, engage in active recall. Don't just passively read. Quiz yourself using flashcards or by trying to explain concepts without looking at your notes. Practice problems are incredibly valuable for science subjects. Work through examples, especially those involving calculations or diagrams. Explaining a concept out loud, even to an imaginary audience, can reveal gaps in your understanding and help you solidify the material. Now, summarize the key information. Condense complex topics into short, digestible notes or mind maps. This process forces you to synthesize information and identify what's truly important. Pay close attention to any diagrams, charts, or graphs, as these often convey a lot of information quickly. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 25 to 30 minutes to keep your mind fresh and prevent fatigue. Finally, ensure you get enough sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one. On the day of the test, eat a nutritious meal and drink plenty of water to keep your brain fueled and focused. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other helpful deals. Arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and trust in the work you've put in. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.